our digital experience usually starts at home. So whether you're a creator, a gamer, a family who loves streaming on multiple devices at home, your home internet is really the foundation. But what if your home connection and your mobile plan worked even better together? What if you could manage your entire household's connectivity through one powerful and seamless experience? To talk about how we are bringing that level of synergy to your doorstep with the latest in G Fiber and our innovative mobile, postpaid, plus home bundles, please welcome our portfolio manager for Globe at Home, Miss Patricia Agbada.
Today, we are ready and excited to share with you our bigger value offers for our customers when they're connected at home. Hello, good morning. Yan. So, in 2026, the Filipino family has evolved. It's no longer just a place to rest. It's a high-stakes gaming arena, pwede din siyang 4K content studio, and a professional headquarters. So, syempre, kailangan natin mag-keep up, syempre for sa mga Gen Zs natin ngayon, di ba? Wow. But here is the reality. Most people treat their mobile data and their home internet like two strangers. At Globe, we are ending that separation. Today, I am thrilled to introduce the only mobile plan in the country that comes with fiber at home. The Globe connection you already love. Sabi nga ni Leo, ni Eric, ni Joey, we have millions of loyal customers for decades. Now, you'll love it even more at home. So experience the Philippines with the only mobile integrated fiber plan. So hyperconnect your Globe mobile with Globe at Home, G Fiber, and reimagine what family life can be. So the perfect pair, so I keep mentioning mobile and broadband. We know most of you are already part of the Globe family, including our TM, mentioned nila Bea, and soon sila Jiv for GP and TM. You already are, if you're already with a superior mobile network brand, you should also be with the most, sabi nga ni Miss Abby at saka ni Eric, the most consistent home internet brand in the Philippines. Especially with Globe being the most consistent, as I mentioned. Now, the Globe mobile and home advantage. This is the only product in the market designed to live the way you live, both in your pocket or at home. When you unite your Globe postpaid, your Globe prepaid, or your TM account with G Fiber, you don't just get two services, you get the power couple. That's instant savings. So by that, ang ibig kong sabihin, because you're all in with Globe, we reward loyalty. So with our newest offers, you can unlock up to 100% off on your bills, or pwede kayong makatanggap ng free prepaid promos valued up to 500 pesos. You will get that every month for a year. So that's really big savings, diba? Ganyan talaga pag loyal sa Globe. Now, one family, one Globe partner. No more juggling different providers. Dito na lang sa Globe, one seamless ecosystem that rewards you for being a Globe customer of both mobile and internet at home. So Ms. Abby mentioned about new G Fiber plans. I'll keep talking about what's new. So in today's fast-paced digital world, and as I said, we always want to keep up with the latest and with the newest generation. A simple connection is no longer enough. You deserve a unified, consistent, and powerful connection that seamlessly integrates with your evolving lifestyle. That's precisely why we're delivering the all-new G Fiber plan. Now, this isn't just an internet upgrade. It's an elevation of your entire home experience. We recognize that every home is unique naman talaga, with distinct needs from content, kung mga nag-stream, or devices as Miss Abby mentioned about the whole smart home. And the all new digital experiences, like Peter mentioned, since rewards, lifestyle rewards are very important to our customers. Yeah, and so whether you're at home, whether your home is dedicated to bringing in the latest 4K hits on multiple streaming platforms, or you are looking to power up your home with the latest home AI gadgets from intelligent security systems, yung mga marunong na dito mag-set up ng mga smart bulbs, mga blinds, even the smart locks at home. We've got you covered. Now, as a valued G-Fiber subscriber, you are entitled to choose up to 9,000 worth. So 9,000 pesos worth na free na yan of premium freebies. And we are partnered, these are just examples of industry-leading brands to bring you yung madaming like diverse selection of high-value items. So you can buy smart devices, you can get your subscriptions to your content, your favorite content. Now, this unprecedented offer allows you to tailor the G-Fiber plan to perfectly match you and your family's digital aspirations. So that's a lot. It's a totally loaded plan. So get the new All G-Fiber plan today and step into a world where your connection is a unified, consistent, as the premium experiences and freebies you choose to bring into your home. So we are making it simpler, faster, and much more rewarding to be a Globe family. Because when your home and your mobile moves are in sync, you aren't just connected, you are truly empowered. So everything we do is designed so that you can succeed in your own space. Now with Globe, we promise that you will love it even more at home. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Pat, as a Globe Mobile and Globe at Home subscriber.